Yeah, good morning, viewer. I want to write a program to add two numbers for beginners. First of all, we need a variable to represent the first number. Let's assume the variable is a. So you type you assign it to input. Input is the keyword in Python programming. So to enter the prompt, enter the first number. So let's assume the first and the second number will be an integer number. So that means I'm going to use an int function to convert whatever we input to integer number. Then secondly, b, to represent the second number, we type the same thing, int input enter the second number. So I've written okay. Now I will now sum the first and the second number, assign it to what? To C. So after then, the next step is to output our print. The sum of the two numbers is equal to C. So let's try to save our program. Go to File menu, click on Save. Let's assume the name of the program is sum. And let's run it and see. We enter the digits. We enter the second digit. That's programmed to find the sum of two numbers.